even though marriage is good, it's very important that you marry right. Eh? Don't allow anybody to coerce you. Now once, so you have one shot to this thing. One shot to it. You don't go and misfire. Marry rubbish. Somebody that does not understand what a family culture or system is. Don't you, ladies, don't people look at those things? You come to church, you are looking at an efulef. Yeah, even in church, you know this one is a full-blown efulef. You are following the person up and down. I'm looking at you. Pastor is dragging you. You say no. This one is not serious. You know. But you want to be in a relationship. This one is not serious. You are seeing it. Comes to church once in 6 months. He doesn't give. He doesn't believe what pastor is teaching. He doesn't pay tithe. He doesn't give offering. He doesn't give alms. He doesn't even bath well. Yet you want to be in a relationship. You want to be in a relationship. Because I know better. If we push you, you will leave church with him. So I allow you. You change church. Say, let's change church. Pastor doesn't love us. He doesn't love our union. Let's change church. It's not a prayer point. You will suffer it. Because if somebody cannot give what he doesn't have, when the time for the relationship comes, don't you, when you see certain things that they say online on social media, you ask yourself, is this human beings? Like when I read those things, I say, like, these ones, did they suck their mother's breast? Were they breastfed, or was it a pig that they drank pig milk? How is it possible that a lady didn't notice all those things? There are people that their daftness is so open, even for a blind man to see. How do you excuse people for their stupid? Don't excuse them. When somebody is stupid, tell him the person is stupid. You don't need to excuse the person for the person's stupidity. There are people that can't marry you. It's not pride. If it's pride, let it be. You can't marry. You cannot. Some people should talk to you. Say, hey, Jesus. Yes. There's no problem. Let me lead you to Christ first. You are the one. See, let me tell you. All this one you are saying, somebody is disturbing you. You are lying. You are the problem. Nobody has ever disturbed me in my life. I give you one shot to disturbance. You just come do that first, your ignorance disturbance. I will now tell you one thing. There is one thing I will tell you in your life. You start running for the rest of your life. For the rest of your life. You start from leading the person to Christ. I said, no, I don't want these church people here. You run. I said, okay, you should have known I'm a church person. Because I'll tell you to bring what is your tithing like? See, I don't play with giving, as you're looking at me like I can give myself. So I don't play with, so I need to understand. Do you understand? During offering, I saw that you raised 1,000 naira as offering. Your level should be 10,000. No, it will change. You will start looking for another daft lady. You will know that this one is. There are certain things you use, standards you just set around you. The person will run away. This one is disturbing me because you went to go. That's what you're doing. You say it's disturbing you. You are the one that allowed the disturbance. You permitted the disturbance. Why am I saying it? Because you see, You know, there are people when you come to church, you look at it, you say, this one, can I get to Dibia? Yes, if you are in Makwa. And you think that entering into a relationship with the person will push away the consequences of everything the person has gathered? You think it will push it away? Those things have consequences.